Welcome to my YouTube channel. We discuss SEO. What is SEO and how we work SEO on SEO per YouTube videos. So we will discuss what is SEO. YouTube SEO, search engine optimization, is an intensive strategy for content creator looking to optimize their videos for better visibility and discoverability on the YouTube platform. It involves a range of techniques designed to enhance a video ranking in search results, suggested videos, and recommendations, thereby attracting a larger audience and fostering channel growth. Number two, this is the main topic of SEO, keyword research and optimization. So, effective YouTube SEO began with comprehensive keyword research. Creator must identify relevant and high-performing keywords related to their video topic. These keywords should be strategically incorporated into the video title, description, and tags to help YouTube algorithm understand the context, increasing the likelihood of appearing in search results. Number three, compelling videos, title and thumbnail. This is very important for YouTube. Crafting captivating videos title and visually appealing thumbnails is a crucial for capturing viewers' attention. The video title should incorporate the primary keyword and provide a clear overview of the video content. Thumbnail should be enticing, relevant, and designed to entice user to click and watch. Number four, high quality video content. So we made superior content quality is a paramount of successful YouTube SEO. Engaging, informative, and entertaining videos are more likely to retain viewers and promote interaction. A longer watch time and higher audience retention rates and send positive signals to YouTube algorithm, potentially leading to improved ranking in search and recommendation. Number 5, detailed video description and metadata. Comprehensive video description offer additional context to viewers and search engine alike. Integrating keyword organically into the description aids YouTube algorithm in comprehending the content issues. Utilizing metadata such as tags, categories, and caption further assist in accurately categorizing and indexing the videos. Number 6, captivating introduction. The initial movement of a video are pivotal for maintaining viewer interest. A captivating introduction should immediately address the video's subject matter, encouraging viewers to stay engaged. A strong hook significantly influences audience engagement and watch time, contributing positively to SEO ranking. Number 6, number 7, sorry, audience engagement and interaction. Engagement metrics like likes, comments, shares, and subscription are highly valued by YouTube, encouraging viewers to interact with the content through effective calls to action can boost these metrics. Meaningful engagement signals to YouTube that the video is resonating with the audience, potentially leading to improved visibility. Number 8, video length and watch time. How we complete watch time. So I explain. Video duration plays a role in SEO. Longer video have the potential to generate higher watch time, but it's essential to sustain viewers' engagement throughout. YouTube algorithm use videos with extended watch time are more valuable and may prioritize them in a search and recommendation. Number 9, cross promotion and collaboration. Collaborating with fellow content creator can introduce your video to new audience, expanding your reach and potential subscriber base. Cross promotion through collaboration, shout out, or inclusion in playlist can have a positive impact on your video visibility and SEO performance. So we discuss number 10, monitoring, analytics, and adaptation. YouTube offer valuable analytic that provide insights into a video performance, regularly tracking metrics such as watch time, audience retention, click-through rates, and subscriber growth is essential. By analyzing these data, creator can identify trends and patterns, enabling them to adopt their SEO strategies for better outcomes. Now we discussed number 11. So social media and external promotion. Promoting your video on social media platform and other external channels can drive additional traffic to your YouTube content. Sharing videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Reddit can increase views, engagement, and potentially improve SEO ranking. So now we discuss number 12, consistency and fatigue. Effective YouTube SEO require consistency and fatigue. Building a strong presence take time, and consistently delivering high quality content while implementing SEO strategies. SEO strategies will yield long-term result. Over time, a well-optimized video library and engaged subscriber base can significantly contribute to channel success. So we discussed 12 SEO parts. Now we discuss the conclusion of SEO. What is conclusion of SEO? So we discussed. In conclusion, mastering YouTube SEO is a multi-faceted endeavors that involves optimizing various elements from keyword research and metadata, content creators, and audience interaction by understanding and implementing effective YouTube SEO strategies. This is the conclusion of SEO. Now, content creator can increase your chances of reaching a wider audience, growing their channel, and achieving long-term success on the platform. So this is the main SEO topics. We discuss 12 topics of SEO, and also we discuss the conclusion of SEO. So now please guys subscribe my channel, like the videos, share and also comment. So